Hello family, welcome back to Shirley's Kitchen. Today I'm making juice for the holiday, June Plum. I was able to find those at the market, and also our traditional drink for the holiday, sorrel. So stick around, let me show you guys how I do this. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse my sorrel. Make sure there's no debris. And this, you're gonna see it's running out, but that's okay. As long as we get this, properly clean. It should be boiling, which it is. I'm gonna go ahead.
What's that in the water?
Cinnamon sticks. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some cloves, just a few cloves, and pimento, allspice seeds. Also my ginger, already chopped up here. Nice fresh organic ginger. And some cinnamon leaves from my tree. I'm also gonna pour a cup and a half of cane sugar, brown sugar. That's the way I do it in Shirley's Kitchen. Because the sugar is gonna be hard to dissolve. So I'm gonna just let it, infuse in with the sorrel. I pour my sorrel in here. We're just gonna let it boil, come to a good boil, and then cover it up so it will seep. And always turn that off after. When I come back, I'll show you how I sweeten this up. It should sit for at least 4 hours, but I'm gonna do a little twist so I can get it done sooner for you. Alright, so family, it's been about 4 to 5 hours. You could leave this overnight if you want to, but I just want to show you guys how it looks and what I do next. So now I'm going to strain it in this basin. See how beautiful it looks? Nice and rich. Okay. And of course, I'm going to taste this. See how sweet it is. You can still use more sugar, family, but I'm not going to. You can make yours as sweet as possible, how you want it. You can also add monk fruit if you can't take a lot of sugar. So I'm going to double strain over here. We didn't have a lot of debris. So I'm gonna put this aside. Actually in my refrigerator, let it cool, and go right ahead onto my June Plum Juice. Okay, so I started to chop my June plums. So what I'm doing here is cutting into it, even the seed, everything. I'm using the skin and the seed also. So all this will be blended up, seed, skin, everything. I'm gonna cut up the ginger and blend it all in one. You could throw the whole thing in your blender if you want to, but I just want to show you that it can also cut, into pieces if you take your time. Adding my June plum all chopped into my blender over there with the ginger all together. There, using the bottled water. Some more. go ahead and double strain.
Okay. So you blend the seed and all.
I'm not wasting my June Plum. Besides, it's healthy. It's a lot of vitamin C. Full of vitamins. It's a holiday drink also. My holiday drink. And it's the season for it too. And that's why I was able to find it in the market here. Okay, so it's taking a while, family, but it's gonna happen. Get it as clear as possible. Because we have the seed and everything, it's a little thicker. So just be patient. Alright, so I'm gonna sweeten this up. I'm already almost done with straining the stuff. This is going to take a longer time because I'm using the dark brown sugar, which is not refined like the white one. You guys could do yours with white sugar, granulated sugar, if you want. Nice. Ooh.
That aroma is
wow. I'm going to go ahead with a twist of the lemon and some sweet. Yeah.
That's great.
Pour in here. Let it chill. Let that chill. So family, we're done finally with the June Plum Juice and the sorrel drink, both holiday drinks. Now I did a virgin sorrel, so children, nieces, nephews, family members that don't drink, they will enjoy that drink also. And this of course is also non-alcoholic. It's a refreshing, healthy one, full of calcium because I blended the seed and vitamin C. So let's pour.
June Plum Juice. It's delicious.
Okay. I'm going to pour the sorrel.
So rich.
Mm-hmm.
Two beautiful holiday drinks.
Good. So family, choose one or both. Enjoy.
Cheers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Yes. And see you on the next one. Store these in your refrigerator and just thaw them out when you get ready to drink.